everyone, it's Xarin from Smitten Kittens. Welcome back to my channel, and today cosplay content ang gagawin natin. Mag-unbox ako ng aking Ningguang wig na in-order ko from Shopee. Yung link niya ay nasa description box down below. So Ningguang is a character from Genshin Impact in case hindi nyo alam. So we're gonna be opening this box now. So, open na siya before kasi chinek ko na yung laman niya. I need to check kung tama kasi may cases na maling wig yung nasisend sa'yo. And here it is. So, yung color nito ay mas silver, white silver kaysa pure white. Hindi rin siya blondish. So, this part is the detachable hair bow. Yan. We're gonna open it up. So, ito yung hair bow niya. Yung bow na nasa taas ng ulo niya, naka-detach siya at i-clip mo siya sa likod with an alligator clip. Medyo flat siya and hindi siya fluffy because of, because na-flatten din siya sa shipping. So, ayusin ko ito mamaya. Subukan natin remedyohan. Ito naman yung base wig mismo. But first, ito yung brand tag ng Weiwei Cosplay or Takoya. Nakakabit siya dun sa wig when I got it, pero chinek ko na yung wig, so natanggal na siya. And here we go. Here's the base wig. So, this wig is a little over 110 centimeters or 100 centimeters. So, napakahaba niya. Ito yung gradient sa baba ng wig. Kita nyo na dark gray siya. Here's the filler. At ito yung top ng wig. Ganito yung parting niya sa taas. Meron din siyang styled siya na may ponytail sa likod. So, dito nyo dapat ikakabit yung hair bow. So, isa-style ko din at i-wig fix ko din tong wig na to. Gagamit ako nitong mane and tail detangler. Nabibili ito sa SM department stores and it's my favorite solution to detangle long wigs. Tapos, I'll also be styling it. So, I'll be using the MacLeod blasting free spray. Mabibili ito sa Shopee. Include ko din yung link sa description box. Hindi ko pa siya na-try before, pero a lot of my friends said na maganda siya. So, iti-testing ko siya ngayon para dito sa Ningguang wig. So, here is the wig right out of the box. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo gulo-gulo siya. Ganun talaga yung wigs. If kakagaling nila out of the box or kaka-receive mo lang sa kanya, syempre nagulo-gulo siya in shipping and storage. So, ayusin natin to. As you can see, hindi pa styled yung bangs, pero hindi siya dapat i-cut kasi side part naman yung kay Ningguang. And this is the total length of the wig. As you guys can see, it's super long. I think hanggang calf length ito, over 100 centimeters. So, good luck sa pagde-detangle sa kanya. Good luck to me, guys! And ito, nakaabang yung aking mga cats here. This one is Cheery. This is Holmes. And this one is my cat Magic Man. So, ito na yung wig when styled. I put the Ningguang's ornament there that you can get from my Shopee store. As for the hair bow, hindi ko siya masyadong naging fluffy. Ini-hairspray ko lang siya. And for the bangs, I also just put in hairspray tapos pinart ko siya to the sides. Wala yung hairdryer ko when I did this, so yung styling ito is without a hairdryer. Uulitin ko siguro siya pag andyan na yung blower ko, so the spikes are more pronounced. There you go. Maybe yung hair bow lalagyan ko ng padding someday para mas halata siya. And here it is. Brinade ko rin yung length ng wig for storage para hindi siya magbuhol-buhol in storage or during use. And now all that's left is to try it on and to show you guys how it looks like when worn. Alright, so let's do a quick rundown of this wig. Yung Takoya wig na to is 1,450 on Shopee, which is actually a fair price for wigs this long. The shade is a silver white, which is just right din for the character. Halos di na kailangan i-trim yung front bangs, which is also a big plus. In-style ko na lang siya with some hairspray. I have to fix the styling another day kasi gusto ko pang gawing mas better set yung bangs. Maybe add some volume to the roots. I also discovered na yung Got To Be hairspray kinda made the wig fibers look shiny. I used the spray most sa bangs so you can notice na mas shiny doon and the rest of the wig actually is not that shiny. Other parts na walang spray, okay naman sila. So, the detachable hair bow makes things easier kasi i-clip mo na lang siya but it needs to be fluffed up, wala siya masyadong volume. And manipis lang din siya kaya hindi mo kayang itusok yung hair stick directly sa kanya. You have to attach the hair stick in some other way. And the wig also tangles a lot, but that's just to be expected with wigs that are this long. So as you can see here, hindi ko pa siya in-unbraid. Kasi if kada suot mo sa kanya, halos natatanggal siya agad lahat dahil sa sobrang haba niya. So anyway, I hope this helps you decide if you want to buy this brand of wig, Takoya wig or Weiwei cosplay shop wig for your Ningguang cosplay. I'll also be doing an unboxing review of the Ningguang costume I bought from Shopee, which you can see that I'm wearing here. If you're interested in cosplay, crafting, and the occasional online seller content, please check out my channel. Thank you so much and happy cosplaying!